going to go to page 330, which has another song called The Chase. And this is the least chosen of all the pieces for the midterm. It's by Cornelius Gurlitt, who's a dead white guy from Europe. What can you tell me about it?
It's in C major.
Good, C major. What else?
Slurs.
Slurs all over the place. Good. What else?
We're playing a lot of chords.
Yes. I think that's why everyone's scared of this piece. Yeah, the second half of line 1, 2, and 4 all have chords. But that shouldn't stop you from playing it, yeah?
Not yet, at least. I'll try it first.
Anything else? We have dynamics, crescendos all over the place. Let me play it. Let me see what you think. Wow, let me go again. Repeat. So it's not too bad. I should have pointed this out before. We have a repeat sign here, which repeats back to this forward repeat sign in measure 9. It doesn't go back. It doesn't go back all the way to the beginning. It just goes back to measure 9 because of this forward repeat bar right there. Questions, comments, concerns?